Good afternoon and namaste. I am going to present about features and use of Google Docs in research. In this short video, I will discuss about the features and use of Google Docs in research. What is Google Docs? Features of Google Docs, use of Google Docs in research. What is Google Docs? Google Docs is Google's web-based office site. Google Docs offers free access, free online storage, and number of collaborative features. The web-based office site means we can use this office site by website or Google's. Google's Docs offers free access, a free online storage. It is web-based program and file storage which run in a web browsers. Productivity tools, Google Docs, text files, spreadsheet, form and presentation. We can develop text file, spreadsheet, form and presentation on Google Docs easily and customizable start page Google's and Google sites to develop web pages. The tools are free. Our users can pay for a premium edition which adds more storage space and other features. Now, the features of Google Docs. First is one collaborative writing and brainstorming. We can write collaboratively on Google Docs. Self-grading quiz. We can create the quiz for self-grading on Google Docs, a virtual copy machine. Offline editing mode. We can edit the files or documents on offline modes if we are not access of internet. In this time, also we can use Google Docs. Etc. Exact image in batch. Research by Explore. Make video file editable. Voice typing. In Google Docs, we can type without keyboard. If we pronounce the word, the Google Docs type these words. And now, uh, use of Google Docs in research. We can use Google Docs in research. For this, we can use for online survey. For online survey, we create a questionnaire for data collection. For data collection, we can send the for emails for data collection. Collect the data from participants by email. Download the reply from participants. We can download the reply of participants. We can import the data in SPSS. When we have the data on Google Docs, these data we can easily import an SPSS program. After the analysis of data, explore to the report. We can explore the report which is analyzed by SPSS program references. I have prepared this slide by the help of these documents. Thank you.